Hello, my beautiful lovelies, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is Hillary with Hillary's Happy Nails, and today we are talking all things sweet. We have Zoya's new Sweetie collection for spring 2026. I figure I will show you pictures, and then we will swatch them on a swatch wheel so you can see how they swatch live and what they look like live on the swatch wheel. So we'll get started right away. We have, this collection is called the Sweetie collection. There are 5 polishes and 1 topper. This collection is $84 or $14 for each of the polishes, and they are vegan and cruelty free. The polishes that we have are a topper, we have 3 cremes and 2 shimmers. So I'll move this out of the way and I will pull up our first polish. Our first polish in the collection is Zoya's Lolly. Lolly is a dusty rose candy pink pastel nail polish. And this was fully opaque in 3 coats. It has a beautiful formula, and it's very glossy and opaque. So like I said, this one was fully opaque in 3 coats, and I did put sugar, the topper, over the 2 middle fingers. So this is sugar, our topper. And this is a sparkling rose gold glitter nail polish with a warm, luminous shimmer. And this is absolutely stunning. I did this over all of the polishes, so you'll get a chance to see what they look like over all of the polishes. So that is sugar. The next polish we have is Daria. Daria, there is the sticker to show you the name. Daria is this rich raspberry pastel nail polish with a velvety depth. This was opaque in 1 coat, but I still did 2 coats just to show you what a full manicure looks like. And this is super creamy and opaque, absolutely stunning. Love this polish. This was beautiful on the nails. And then here is with sugar over the 2 middle nails, so you can see what that looks like. So that is Daria. Next in the lineup is this stunner with this gorgeous shimmer in it. If you can see that. This is Fia. Fia is a powder blue nail polish with a soft luminous sheen. And I was able to get this opaque in 2 coats. And you can see that shimmer on that brush. Very, very pretty. This one was beautiful. And then here it is with sugar over the middle nails. So you can see what that looks like. So that was Zoya's Fia. Next in the box is Arden. This is a stunning icy aqua mint nail polish with a subtle shimmer. And you can really see that pop in the bottle. So beautiful. This was, I did 2 coats, but I think in some places it looked a little bit patchy. So I could have gone in with a 3rd coat, I think. But I just covered it up with sugar in the next picture, so you can't really tell. So this is Arden. And last but not least, as I always say, is Zoya's Lila. Lila is a soft, muted lilac creamy pastel nail polish. I did do this in 2 coats. It dries matte, which I took a picture of, so I'll show you that. So it dries matte, but I fixed that with a glossy top coat. So I'll show you a picture of that. And then I put sugar over the 2 middle nails so you can see what that looks like. So that is Lila. And that's actually what I'm wearing on my nails right now. Very pretty with sugar on top of it. So that is the collection. And now what I figure I will do is I will swatch these out on the swatch wheel so you can see how they go on, how they perform, and how they look in 2 coats on the swatch wheel. So we're going to start with Lolly. Now, as you can see, she's pretty opaque, but she's a little bit patchy, so she is going to need 2 coats. I can't get that too. There we go. So that is Lolly in 1 coat. Next, we'll do Daria. Daria reminds me of the show on MTV back in the day. There is Daria. And that is 1 coat. Next is Fia. And that one was almost opaque in 1 coat on the swatch wheel. Aren't the colors beautiful? This is perfect for spring, I think. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite color. Are you planning on picking any of these up? Are you going to pass on this? Did you pick anything else up for spring? Here is Arden. You can see the shimmer in there, very pretty. And next up is Lila. Now Lila is sheer on the first coat in my opinion, but it does build up in 2 coats. So there is the colors all together painted on the swatch wheel. I'm going to do another coat, don't worry. Just wanted to show you what they look like all together. We'll go back to Lolly at the beginning so we can show you what she looks like in 2 coat coverage. Very opaque, very creamy, absolutely beautiful. So that is Lolly. Next is Daria. Once again, perfectly opaque in 2 coats. Look at that color, stunning. Here we have Fia. So rich and so creamy and opaque. Absolutely stunning. Next is Arden. There is Arden in all of its glorious splendor with all that shimmer in it. And here you can see this is dried down matte. That is Lila. So we'll put another coat on her. And there she is glossy before she dries. And now I'm going to paint these on the other side to put sugar on them. So I'll be right back. All right, so these are dry and ready to top coat with sugar. So show you what this looks like over all of the polishes. And then this side is dry, so I did do a glossy top coat on all of these. So now you can see that Lila is, you know, glossy when you put a glossy top coat over it. But you could always do, see she's matte here, and then she's glossy here with the top coat. So you can kind of see the difference. So we're just gonna put a thin layer, a thin coat of sugar over all of these. Sorry, that was off to the side, but we'll there we are. Beautiful. Sugar is so stunning. Oh. Sure I got enough on my brush. There we go. There we are. So that is what sugar looks like over Lolly, over Daria, over Fia, over Arden, and over Lila. So that is sugar. And that is the collection. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about this collection in the comments. Are you planning on picking any of these up? Are you gonna pass? What do you think of the price point? Make sure to, let me let you know these have the Z-wide brush in them, so they're super easy to use and polish with now. They don't have the skinny brush in there anymore. So this is your Zoya lineup for the Spring Collection 2026. Let me know what you think. Make sure, if you haven't already, to like and subscribe. You know I love it when you do that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.